Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions regarding assignment 3 of Introduction to Internet of Things. So friends, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. So before that, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any in-between changes, you will be able to note those changes if you see the video till the end. And coming to the first question of assignment 3, Layer X incorporates channel hopping and channel blacklisting to increase reliability and security. So what is X? What is X? So the answer for first question, that is the meaning of X in this question, is Hard Data Link Layer. So Hard Data Link Layer, that is option B, incorporates channel hopping and channel blacklisting. So mark option B as correct answer for first question. And coming to second one, the transmission in HART is synchronized using dash slots. So dash slots, the answer for second question is 10 millisecond slots, that is option C. Friends, these are 100% correct answers, so I tried my level best to give you the most accurate answers. So let's mark these answers now. First one is option B and second one is option C. And coming to third question, the third one, for control applications, which of the following ISA 100.11a usage classes are defined? So for control applications, we know that class 1, 2 and also 3, all these three classes are used. So mark option C as correct answer for third question. And coming to fourth, the deterministic communication in data link layer of HART is achieved by. So how do we achieve? By using super frames, that is option C. So deterministic communication in data link layer of HART is achieved by super frames. So what are the answers? Both answers are C, that is third and fourth question answers are C. Coming to fifth, what does ISA stand for? ISA 100.11a. So the ISA represents International Society of Automation. So the first option, that is International Society of Automation, is the full form of ISA in ISA 100.11a. And sixth question, hop selection is supported by dash in Bluetooth technology. So here the blank should be filled by using option A, baseband layer only. It does not include any L to CAP. So here the blank should be replaced by baseband layer. So option A. So let's mark 5 and 6 answers as both A, first options only. And coming to seventh question, which of the following is not a scheme for re-establishing the connectivity between dumb nodes with other nodes in a wireless sensor networks? So first we say what are the schemes for re-establishing the connectivity. CORD and CORAD, both are the schemes for re-establishing connectivity, but they what they asked in the question is not. Because of this word, the answer will be CARD. CARD does not exist for re-establishing the connectivity between dumb nodes with other nodes in a wireless sensor network. So answer is option B for seventh question. And coming to eighth one, which of the following technology does not use the standard 2.4 gigahertz ISM band? So friends, if you see this, Zigbee, Bluetooth and NFC, all of these three are short range networks, and option D, 6 low pan, is not short range network, so it use standard 2.4 gigahertz ISM band. So my answer is option D for 8th question. So let's see 7th and 8th answers once again. 7th answer is option B, that is CARD, and 8th question answer is option D, 6 low pan. And coming to 9th one, Wireless HART Network Manager handles dash based network security. So which based network security Wireless HART Network Manager handles? This is the meaning of the question. So 9th question answer is code based network security. Here which option? Option A. So mark option A, code based network security. And coming to 10th one, how many, here 9th answer is option A, that is code, and 10th question, how many power saving modes are there in Bluetooth technology? Friends, if you watch the lecture video, we can find total 4 modes, but they are specific about power saving modes. There is only one power saving mode, that is hold. This is one and only power saving mode, so I am going with option A, 1. So what are the answers? Here both answers are option A only. 9th question and for 10th question also option A only correct answer. And coming to 11th one, which layer provides protocol multiplexing capacity or capability? So 11th question answer is option B, data link layer. And coming to 12th one, what does RF4C stands for in Zigbee RF4C? So RF4C stands for radio frequency for consumer electronics. Here 4 number represents not a number, it stands for fur, so it is read as fur. 12th question answer is option A. So let's see 11th and 12th bits answers. 11th answer is option B, 12th question answer is option A. And 13th one, NFC tags found in supermarket products are example of dash NFC. So they are examples of passive NFC. So mark 13th question answer is option B. 14th one, which of the following utilizes Manchester channel encoding? So 14th answer is Z-Wave. So let's mark the answers. 13th one is option B, 14th one is option C. Coming to final question, that is 15th question of assignment 3. What are the constraints on sensor nodes? So 15th question answer is all of these, because the constraints involve dispensable, autonomous and also low power consumption. So all these 3 are correct answers. So finally option D, all of this will become the correct answer. So mark option D as correct answer for 15th question. So friends, this is the video for today about assignment 3 of IoT. So let's meet in the next video of IoT 4, that means 4th week. So until then, be safe, be happy, keep supporting us like this. Like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you, bye.